So I'm going to do practice problem, the practice problem 3 on page 255 while looking at the steps on page 254. So the first thing it tells me is ammonia is a raw material. It's used in fertilizers. We use it in our area a lot. Cleaning products, explosive. Draw the structure for NH3. So I am given a molecule. Step 1, predict the location. So I have nitrogen and hydrogen. What's going to be my central atom? Nitrogen, because hydrogen never is. So I know that nitrogen is going to be in the middle. And I know that my hydrogens will surround it. Step 2, determine the number of electrons available for bonding. Nitrogen has how many valence electrons? 5. Hydrogen has how many? 1, but there's 3 of them, so I have 3 because 3 times 1 is 3. So I have 8 electrons that will be involved in bonding. The next step tells me to figure out how many pairs that is. So if I have 8 electrons, that's how many pairs? 4. So the first thing I'm going to do, now I'm skipping to where? I'm skipping to 4. Place the bonding pair. So I have hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. I know that those have to bond together. So I'm going to draw in my bond. So I use 3 pair, which means I have 1 pair of electrons that are not accounted for. Is it NH3, is it going to bond with anything else? No. So if I look at number 6, determine whether the central atom satisfies the octet rule. Do I have 8 electrons? No, I only have 6. And I also know that nitrogen has 5 anyway, so I am going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 pair, 8 electrons. That should be drawn structurally correct for ammonia. So go through the steps. Step 1, what's my central atom? Step 2, what's it bonding with? Put in my structures. I want you to do the practice problems on page 255.